In today's video, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge unmanned aerial vehicles, also known as UAVs, showcasing 11 military and surveillance drones that are pushing the boundaries of technology. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the future of drones, this video is packed with exciting insights. Let's get started. Number 1. Black Hornet 4. The Black Hornet 4, developed by Teledyne FLIR Defense in Norway, entered service in 2023. This 10-inch long nano UAV is a significant advancement in covert situational awareness technology, providing critical intelligence to military and security forces. With a range exceeding 1.3 miles and a flight time of over 30 minutes, it operates effectively even in challenging conditions, such as high winds and low-light environments. Equipped with a 12-megapixel camera and a high-resolution thermal imager, it provides superior reconnaissance capabilities. The Black Hornet 4 is noted for its resilience, having been deployed successfully in conflict zones like Ukraine. Its design emphasizes minimal cognitive load on soldiers and rapid deployment, launching in under 20 seconds. The drone's compliance with MIL STD 810H ensures durability, and its GPS-denied navigation capabilities enhance operational flexibility. This small, yet powerful UAV is a vital tool for modern military operations. Number 2. JACKAL. The JACKAL, developed in the United Kingdom by Flyby Technology, was introduced in 2022. This advanced UAV is tailored for a range of combat missions, including battlefield air interdiction, close air support, and precision strikes against helicopters and armored vehicles. It employs twin contra-rotating propellers for vertical takeoff and landing, and 4 wing-mounted electric ducted fans for high-speed maneuvering, achieving a range of 80 miles. The JACKAL is capable of firing Thales lightweight multi-role missiles and is designed for vertical takeoff and landing from concealed locations, enhancing operational stealth. Its modular design allows for rapid reconfiguration between missions, significantly boosting operational flexibility and reducing the reliance on traditional air support. Demonstrated in response to modern combat needs, the JACKAL has proven its effectiveness through rigorous trials, making it a versatile and potent addition to the RAF's arsenal. Number 3. Rogue One. The Rogue One, developed by Teledyne FLIR Defense in the United States, entered service in 2024. This innovative UAV is designed for precision strike capabilities against both infantry and armored targets. It boasts a range of over 6 miles and a flight endurance of 30 minutes, making it a versatile asset for modern combat scenarios. The Rogue One features modular warheads tailored for anti-personnel and anti-armor roles and advanced electro-optical and thermal cameras for comprehensive day and night reconnaissance. With burst speeds exceeding 70 miles an hour, it can deliver rapid and accurate strikes. Its innovative fusing system allows safe recovery if missions are aborted, and its GPS-denied navigation capability ensures operational flexibility in contested environments. Developed under the U.S. Marine Corps' Organic Precision Fires Light program, the Rogue One enhances operational flexibility and reduces the reliance on traditional air support, embodying the future of tactical UAV operations. Number 4. Hydra 400. The Hydra 400, developed by Hydra Drones Limited in the United Kingdom, was introduced in 2023. This heavy-lift UAV is powered by a hybrid propulsion system combining electric motors with single-spool jet turbines, providing robust performance and flexibility. Capable of carrying payloads up to 880 pounds, it's designed for diverse missions such as cargo transport, medevac, and armed operations. The Hydra 400 has a range of 15.5 miles and can be quickly deployed, with assembly completed in just 6 minutes. Its advanced AI and computer vision capabilities enable autonomous operation and obstacle avoidance, making it suitable for complex environments. The UAV features a 360 degrees day and night vision system and is built to operate in extreme weather conditions. It's been demonstrated in military and commercial applications, showing its ability to autonomously land land on moving targets and perform supply drops, highlighting its versatility and efficiency in challenging operational scenarios. Number 5. Falcon 10. The Falcon 10, developed by ZIYAN UAS in China, is an advanced electric unmanned helicopter designed for multi-mission capabilities. Introduced in recent years, it features a robust, foldable design that enhances portability and rapid deployment. This UAV is engineered for high wind resistance, capable of withstanding level 7 winds, and offers a maximum payload capacity of 15.4 pounds. With a flight endurance of 50 minutes and a top speed of 36 miles per hour, it's suitable for a wide range of applications, including maritime security, search and rescue, law enforcement, and infrastructure inspections. The Falcon 10 integrates modular payload options, such as HD cameras, thermal imaging, and searchlights, providing versatile operational capabilities. Its real-time HD video transmission range extends up to 9 miles. Designed for both military and commercial use, the Falcon 10 is a highly adaptable UAV, capable of performing complex missions with precision and reliability. Number 6. Vapor 55MX. The Vapor 55MX, developed by AeroVironment in the United States and introduced in 2022, is a state-of-the-art all-electric helicopter UAS. It's designed for a wide range of applications, including defense, commercial, and industrial users. This UAV boasts a modular payload bay with a capacity of up to 24 pounds, providing significant flexibility for various missions. It offers a remarkable flight endurance of 70 to 105 minutes, depending on the payload and battery configuration. The Vapor 55MX features advanced avionics and redundancy systems to ensure safe and reliable operations, even in challenging weather conditions. Its compact and portable design includes telescoping tail and folding landing gear, making it highly adaptable for rapid deployment. The UAV can operate effectively in winds of up to 40 knots and is equipped with a live GPS, full authority, modular ground control unit for both autonomous and manual flight. The Vapor 55MX enhances safety, scalability, and cost savings, making it a valuable asset for various operational needs. Number 7. Shadow S3. The Shadow S3, developed by ZIYAN UAS in China, is a next-generation electric unmanned helicopter introduced in 2024. This UAV is notable for its long endurance capabilities, boasting a flight time of up to 100 minutes and a maximum speed of 62 miles per hour. Designed for diverse applications, it excels in urban security, natural disaster response, and industrial inspections. Weighing less than 15.4 pounds, the Shadow S3 is highly portable and can be easily transported in a backpack due to its compact, modular design. The drone's advanced features include AI-powered target tracking, terrain-following flight capabilities, and a robust obstacle avoidance system. It's built to withstand harsh environments, operating efficiently in extreme temperatures and resisting winds up to level 7. The Shadow S3 is equipped with a tri-sensor gimbal camera, a megaphone, and a spotlight, enhancing its multi-mission versatility. These capabilities make the Shadow S3 a valuable asset for improving operational efficiency and safety in challenging conditions. Number 8. Alpha 900 UAV. The Alpha 900 UAV, developed by Alpha Unmanned Systems in Spain, is a versatile fuel-powered rotary wing UAV. It's designed for maritime security, reconnaissance, border control, search and rescue, and infrastructure inspections. This UAV features a maximum flight endurance of up to 4 hours and an operational range of 31 miles. It can perform vertical takeoff and landing from moving vessels, making it ideal for naval operations. With a payload capacity of up to 8.8 pounds, it includes multiple bays for various sensors and equipment. Built to NATO's STANAG 4738 specifications, it ensures high reliability and safety. The UAV is equipped with GPS-denied navigation and auto-rotation capabilities, enhancing its operational resilience. The Alpha 900's design emphasizes weather resistance, enabling effective operation in wind and rain, making it a valuable asset for the Navy's maritime surveillance tasks. Number 9. ZIYAN UAV Infiltrator. The ZIYAN UAV Infiltrator, developed by ZIYAN UAS in China, is a versatile unmanned aerial vehicle designed for both surveillance and strike missions. Introduced at IMDEX Asia in 2017, this rotorcraft UAV can carry up to 4 air-to-ground missiles and has a maximum payload capacity of 22 pounds. It features advanced capabilities for electronic reconnaissance and surveillance, including options for laser radar, high-definition cameras, thermal imaging, and a 3D scanner. With a maximum speed of 112 miles per hour and an endurance of 55 minutes, the Infiltrator can operate at altitudes up to 16,700 feet. Its compact design, with an empty weight of 19 pounds, allows for efficient deployment and operation in various environments. The UAV is also capable of dropping aerosol bombs for marking targets or riot control. This UAV is a potent tool for modern military operations, combining advanced surveillance capabilities with precise strike potential. Number 10. Ghost Drone. The Ghost Drone, developed by Anduril Industries in the United States, is tailored for reconnaissance, security, and force protection missions. Available in 2 variants, Ghost and Ghost X, it offers significant operational flexibility. The Ghost variant provides a range of 7.5 miles and a 55-minute flight time with a 10 pounds payload. The enhanced Ghost X extends the range to 15.5 miles and flight time to 75 minutes, doubling the payload capacity to 20 pounds. Both versions utilize Anduril's Lattice software for autonomous mission planning, airspace management, and flight operations, minimizing operator workload. Known for rapid deployment, the drones can be assembled in under 2 minutes without tools. They feature advanced navigation and communication technologies, ensuring reliability in low connectivity environments. Used by the U.S. Air Force and the UK Ministry of Defense, Ghost drones are essential for modern military operations, capable of adapting to various mission requirements. Number 11. Black Eagle 50E. The Black Eagle 50E, developed by Steadycopter in Israel, is an electric rotary unmanned aerial vehicle designed for a variety of applications, including maritime, intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance missions. First unveiled in 2018, it features a maximum takeoff weight of 77 pounds and a payload capacity of up to 11 pounds. This UAV offers a flight endurance of up to 4 hours in flight mode and 50 minutes in hover mode, with a top speed of 70 knots. The Black Eagle 50E is equipped with the FlightOps drone operating system, enhancing its autonomous capabilities and supporting complex multi-drone operations. Its electric propulsion reduces logistical footprints while increasing payload capacity, making it ideal for search and rescue, coastal security, and advanced maritime missions. The system's robustness and versatility ensure reliable performance in harsh environments, fulfilling the operational needs of both military and civilian applications. And that wraps up our exploration of military and surveillance drones. These incredible machines are truly revolutionizing the way we approach security, defense, and technology, and it's exciting to see how they're transforming modern warfare and security. If you found this video interesting, make sure to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. We have a lot more exciting content coming your way, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.